Guys, what's up? It's me here, Travela Meche. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending with the time you're watching this video, guys. Yeah, I've just woke up right now. It's very fine morning. It's a good morning. It's a fine morning. I'm very happy and I'm very glad just to record this vlog today. And actually, if you have not subscribed to my channel, ensure that you have subscribed and you turn on the notification button. That whenever I post a video, you can just be able to get a notification. Don't forget to leave a comment, don't forget to like, don't forget to share to your friends and family so that they can also subscribe to my channel and actually help me monetize. So it's a fine morning, guys. You can see just here is home and I've actually just woke up and I'm very okay, very happy, very, how can I say, I'm very good today. I don't know why I'm very happy, and it's just morning. It's 7 a.m. It's 7 a.m. and I'm happy. Yeah, guys, I'm very happy. So today vlog, I'll be just walking around my home, the neighborhood, and I'll be showing you the nature. I'll be showing you how things are here at Nyabohanse village, guys. Yeah, so it's a fine morning, and they have already took out the animals, the cows. I've already took them out for because it's a day on a daily basis. We just take them out so that they can just eat outside there the grass, guys. So actually, guys, I'll be just even I've not washed my face. You can just see some small things. I'm about to brush my teeth and wash my face. And actually, guys, keep watching this video. Let me show you nice things here in my village. Let me show you nice things. Don't 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 stop watching, guys. Let's go together. Let me wash my face first, guys. So guys, here's where I usually wash my face, guys. On this tap. Let me just wash my face. Yeah. So guys, I've already washed my face. I'm actually now going to brush my teeth. And brushing my teeth, I just use the sticks from trees. I just go there, cut a small branch, then I chew it or I crush it on one end, then I use it to brush my teeth, guys. So let me go show you how we do that. Sipi, stembe vitu brush meno huko na vijiti. Eh? Okay, I was just telling he's a Saipo 254, just sitting there right there in the. He's right there if you can see him, guys. He's just. Kopo, morning. Umeamka fiti? Haya, sawa. So I was just greeting him, asking him how he woke up, guys. So let's go and I show you how we usually brush our teeth here in the village, guys. Let's go together. Let's go together, guys. Amazing, amazing, wonderful. So, guys, I'll just look for a tree. I'll look for a tree that the branches are near, and where I'll actually cut the branch, guys. Let's go together. Oh, amazing things. You can see the nature, guys. This is the nature. You can see how things here are good and well, guys. So I'm going right there because I can see there is a tree here. There are some trees here. I don't know how we call these trees. Okay, you can see there is a tree here, and I'll actually look for a nice branch that I'll use to brush. Let me see, guys. Let me take this one. I'll just cut it this way. Amazing, guys. Here's the branch. Here's the branch, guys. Here is the branch. You can see it. Then I just remove this one. Then here is the branch now. Then after doing that, guys, I just remove this how do you call it, the cover, the cover of the branch, so that it can remain the green cover, guys. So guys, I think it's done. I'm done with removing this. Then after doing that, I'll just chew this end. Yeah, I'll chew it to make it soft so that I can use it to brush my teeth, guys. So I just chew. I'm trying to make it soft. Guys, don't mind about my injury. I just got an accident. And at least now it's healing, guys. It's healing. Don't mind about that. So guys, after chewing it, I chew it. It's almost done. It's almost done. You can see it's soft, guys. It's soft, guys. Then I just brush my teeth this way. I'll go inside and use salt. Yeah, the salt to just brush my teeth. So let's go inside back there so that I can get some salt. You can see it, guys. It's very soft. So I chew it to be soft so that it cannot injure my gums. My gums cannot get some injuries. We have to Cypher 254. How are you doing?
I'm good.
You're great. Why are you so tired? And it's in the morning.
I'm just okay. Really, I've just woken up and little bit tired.
What are you going to get? I need to get some salt inside here. Where to? Where to? So guys, I'm still brushing my teeth. Yeah. I brush, then I spit out. Supposed to make my hair. Unaenda? Sijakunywa chai ba. Huh? Let's go in the water. Then nakuja. So that I can just rinse my mouth. close this door because some chickens just enter there and mess up. So you can see, guys, my teeth are almost clean. Amazing, amazing, amazing. I think they are clean, guys. So let me just wash this. Then I might keep it for future use. I might use it tomorrow again. Yeah, kind of, guys. Let me go keep it somewhere. I might just place it here, so that I'm just placed here on the tank, and actually I'll use it tomorrow again, guys. Guys, after I've finished brushing my teeth, I'll just have a small walk. I'll just have a walk just around to see how things are. You know, in the morning we always walk and see how the neighborhood is. You might find that something had happened maybe at night, and we need to know, guys. So let's have a walk and see how things are outside here. Nini yo? Nakuja. Okay, he was just telling me to go after finishing recording this vlog. I go back and help him send some files to the phone, guys. Yes, let's go, let's walk, guys. So wow, wonderful. By the way, guys, in my previous, if you watch my previous videos, you remember I showed you my cousin who usually do farming, and he actually plants tomatoes. Yeah, he just farm tomatoes. He plant tomatoes, guys. And let me surprise you, guys. This is the farm, guys. This is the farm, guys. Have a look. The tomatoes are ripe. Wow, wonderful. I never knew this. He did not tell me, guys. Have a look at the tomatoes, guys. They're ripe. Some of them are ripe, some of them are unripe. Have a look, guys. They're ripe, guys. They're ripe. Now he needs to harvest them. He's supposed to start harvesting. Because, guys, you can just have a look. Just have a look. Yeah, they are ripe, guys. Almost all of them. A big percentage of them has just ripe, guys. Going there, you can just see there, the whole farm, they are ripe, guys. Amazing, wonderful, wow. Very amazing, guys. Yeah, guys, you can see he's doing a good job. Actually, you can see the farm is just behind me. It's a very, not that big, but it's big, guys. Going down there, this all is the farm for that he planted the tomatoes, and they are ripe, guys. I'm happy for him. Guys. Very, very happy. You can see how they are ripe, guys. Wonderful. he needs to harvest and give me some, so that I can go and use them to cook. Yeah, guys, and even the water here, he had used them, and the water is almost depleted, guys. In this place that I show here is where he used to conserve the water that he used to just water the tomatoes there, guys, the tomato crops. Yeah. You can see even the water is almost depleted. He has just used a lot of water in the farm there. He was just irrigating. He was doing is it canal irrigation? I think, yeah, kind of, if I'm not wrong. So guys, you can see how things are here. Very wonderful and amazing. Wonderful and amazing, guys. So let's go back. Let's walk there at the banana plantation there and see how things are there. Let's go together. Let's go together. I'm just having a walk at the compound here, at the outside here at home, and let's go and see how things are. Okay, sorry for that, guys. Oh, this part of the farm, the tomatoes are not ripe yet. This part, you can see they are still green. Okay, so he told me that the other ones up there, he planted them first before planting this. So he planted those, then after 2 weeks, he planted these. So guys, that's why these have not ripened, but the other ones, they have just ripened, guys. So here he's at the home. Let's just have a walk. Just have a walk, guys. Amazing, wonderful. Yeah, let me see some bananas here are just okay. They're just fine. They're okay. They're okay. I'm just monitoring here. I'm monitoring the crops, guys. I'm just monitoring. Sorry for my shaky camera. I'm using my phone. But soon I'll just have to buy a GoPro. When God, Mungu akinijalia, by the grace of God, I might buy one GoPro camera that I'll be using. So guys, just bear with me because my camera is just shaking. But just bear with me, guys. So the crops, they are okay. Let's go back now home. Some chicken here have just woke up very early. They're just looking for food, guys. Yeah. What's wrong? What's wrong? That's for Christmas. We just slaughter it and eat in Christmas, guys. Yeah. So my beautiful people, actually, I'm just we want to just take these animals, these cows, to the other side of the farm where they're going to graze, guys. We're going just to do the tethering, the type of grazing called tethering, guys. So we are going to use the rope just to tie them. Then after tying them, we just give them some. Are they going to eat the napier grass right now?
After they have drunk water.
After they've drank water. Oh, so that's in the afternoon. So guys, in the afternoon, we'll just feed them with the napier grass, and actually will be good. So you can see it's just untying them. It's untying the rope on the neck, guys, from the neck. because you know, in the evening they usually tie the ropes around their neck so that they cannot dirtify them with their mess, guys, you know. Yeah, so we want to take them to the other side. Then after there I will leave to Matinde. I'll go to see Matinde Africa. Yeah, because there's some work I'm going to help her. There's some things I'm going to help her sort out, guys. So there are the cattle. This one, by the way, this one got an injury. You can see this leg has got an injury, guys. Yes, so you can see even how it's working, guys. We had called the veterinary and he just came and treated it, but it did not heal well, guys. So I don't know. We hope one day, one time, it will be good. So let's just check them.
Mbona jana I think ndama zilienda kufungwa zilikuwa nne. Sasa
Nne.
sijui mbona wazifunge. Sasa sielewi.
So hii haiendagi.
I think hizi tatufunge hizi nne. Tufunge tu hizi nne alafu kuna yana watakuja.
Hizo ndama zingine. Yep, guys, we need to take them down there at the other side where they usually if you watch my previous videos have been showing you where we just take them to feed. So they need to go there right now, guys. So no, go with me, guys, go with me, and I'll show you how we just tie them. These are the oldest one. These are the big cattle. Umemaliza zote? Easy.
Tunaenda. Tunaona pia leo.
Just shh. Ona penye zinaenda, kimbia. Wewe. Go there. Let's go. We want to tie them on some trees, some small trees, so that they can feed here. Here's the place that we are just tying them. Yeah, so guys, it's just tying them. It's just tying them, guys. Ona ili siende kwa mahindi. You can see how it's just tying. And you must tie them on a very hard tree or any hard thing that it will not pull it off. You know, these cows, these cattle have a lot of energy. They have a lot of power. You already tied it on this ped. How do you call it? Ped. Is this a ped or a peg? Yeah, peg, guys. Very hard. Let's go see. He's tying this one, then he'll finish with the other one, guys. Yeah, so guys, we are done with just tying the cows on the pegs. So, and actually we are now leaving. I'm going to see Matinde Africa there, where I'm going to help her do some sort some things out, guys. So let's go there together, and I'll just end my video with there, guys. Yeah, guys, on our way to Matinde Africa's place with Saipo 254.
Oh, lies on me, come a Tupac.
You're brushing your teeth now.
Yeah,
It's now brushing his teeth. When I was brushing, he was just doing some work. Now he has started brushing, guys. So let's go to Matinde Africa's home, guys, and see there how things are. So guys, almost there at Matinde Africa's home. I'm just going to help her do some things. Let's just go together, guys. Let's go. And here we are. Hata mafundi wako. Umeona hii pikipiki?
Sand.
Si ndio pikipiki uni ose. Here we are, guys. Tani. Tunaenda. Sasa hizi hapa bila. So guys, so guys, Matinde Africa is not around. I've just been told that she's not around. She left. Yeah, she just went to see something at Nyabohanse Center there. But I'll come back later so that I can help her sort the things that I was supposed to help her. So guys, I'm leaving to Nyabohanse Center there because Matinde Africa is not at home. You can see I've just left the home. Yeah, and actually I'll come back later. So guys, I think this video will just end with here, and actually keep on watching my videos, keep on supporting me, support your guy Traveler Meche, and at the end of it I shall say thank you, guys. So if you have not subscribed, subscribe. If you have not turned on the notification button, just turn it on, and actually be good. So guys, bye bye, may God bless you.